So we're here at the Y today. My nieces are having their first soccer game of the season. It's crazy. It's pandemonium. I can't find them, but I'm gonna go ahead and film a little bit. So from here we gotta go. Yeah, so let's see how this thing goes. My sister's running late with my nieces. I'm here waiting on them to help them get ready. Come on, monkeys, get out. Come with me while mommy finds somewhere to go park, okay? I'll help you with that. You want me to help you eat it? Come with me. Ooh, Powerade.
What did you say?
Say what's up.
What's up?
Are you gonna play today?
Yes, because then...
Oh, look who's here. We got Morgan in the house, and we got her mama. Are you ready, baby? How many goals are you gonna score? 10.
100.
Okay, good.
100?
100. Go, go. Show them what's up. Run. Oh, she stopped it. Good job.
Good job, baby. Oh,
What do you think? What do you think? Good?
Alright guys, so I walked in this morning and I thought this was kind of funny. There's a bunch of chickens laying eggs, but every time I go to they all growl at me. Even the little Polish. Kobe's gonna lay an egg. She's trying to steal the hen spot. You got a complaint to file? Well, I'm sorry that happened today. You too? Oh, you got more to say? Really? That's what happened? It's very interesting. There's two sides to the story.
Stand it up carefully without moving. Yeah, like that. You see what I'm saying? Isn't that awesome? Now face it towards me. Okay, now you want to stand over here. Stretch out. Yeah. Surveyors, when they go out there, that's what they do. They go. It's like a director at a movie. They go like this.
You did the wrong way.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look how cute she is.
Our yardstick is the T-post. We made the line a little bit off. Sometimes mistakes are made and we need to fix them.
Alright, so we got to go ahead and hook up this auger. Right here, we got to hook up the auger so that we can go ahead and make the fence post holes. And I'm missing one post. I believe that's the one that this thing is on, right there. So you see how we got to get that one post right there, and we're good. And then I got to go cut telephone poles. Oh, Not looking forward to that, but thank you, Jarvis Jones, again for offering that. And it's gonna come in handy big time. And then I gotta hook up this box blade and not only put that mulch pile down, push it down, and then level it out, but then also our road has to get done. This is the boring side of farming, changing these. I wish it was just like Alright guys, so we got done with the T-posts. There's going to be a gate right here, obviously, big enough that I can get my tractor through. So we'll let that settle down a little bit and get hard right down there. We put the corner post right here. Now right here, because it's going to be this one right here, is going to be going with that one. You guys see it? So it's going to be straight across that one. The fence is going to be coming straight from that pole over to this pole, right? And then on this side is going to be the pigs, and on this side is going to be a garden. And then this thing right here is gonna, it's like this right now. We're gonna bring it like this and open all this up. So that's not gonna be there. This is gonna be open. 8-foot gate right there. So as we pile in all the wood chips right here and they compost with the pigs, you know, doing their thing, and all this will be, and they till, I'll be able to open that and push all that fertile compost over to our garden area. And then from here, this post, this will all be pig area. From that T-post, we're going to go straight across through this brush. That brush is getting pushed out all the way there, then coming straight across right there, and then from there straight to this pole. It'll be a big rectangle for 12 pigs eventually. That's our goal. And then from this post to there, there'll be another post over there, across, all the way across the back on the other side of the mulch pile over there somewhere. There'll be a post there that would be 100 feet by 100 feet all the way to there. And then we'll have from there, from that corner right there, we'll come across, we'll split the 100 feet down the middle, and we'll have 2 paddocks, one here, one there, with a gate. This gate will give me access from the garden to there, and then the fence from here to there, I'll put a fence right here and it'll give me access to there, and then another gate here to give me access out. And then I'll rotate. So this year, this will be our garden, and then next year, since the chickens are here, we'll do this and we'll have the chickens in here. We'll keep rotating so we keep the soil healthy. It's 2 o'clock, so we'll take a little break, eat, relax, hang out with the family, and then come back with the tractor, and I'll push. You see all those chickens, where all those chickens are at right there? I'll push all that over and flatten it out all in here, and eventually we'll move this fence, the temporary fence. Guess what, guys? The meat birds are gonna be here Monday or Tuesday of this week, and I pick up 17 birds tomorrow that we're hatching. Not we are hatching, but the Hullets. Oakley is the one really spearheading this whole hatching thing. He's all into farming, and yeah, he hatched them out. So we'll pick them up tomorrow and see what we got. YouTube analytics says that we currently, only 50% of the people that watch are subscribed. So if the other 50% would subscribe, it would double our subscription. Please help us out with that. We're really trying to do this and have a great time at it. It motivates us to do more videos and keep doing this, because I'm going to do this regardless of whether we do YouTube or not, I'm still going to be doing this. I'm just happy to have you guys with us, really, to be quite honest with you. But you guys can help me come up with different ideas. I've been thinking, I mean, we named the rabbits after one of our viewers, Garrett Jones, said Midnight. So I like the interaction, to be quite honest with you, and I look forward to that. So if you guys can please subscribe and then share it. Analytics is also telling us, the algorithm is saying to us, giving us feedback, only 20% of you guys share our videos. If you guys can share our videos, it would really, really, really help, please. So I really appreciate everything you guys have doing, the suggestions, even some of the people reaching out to us, giving us free materials. That's been awesome. I really appreciate all that. And I would love for more people to come and visit. If you're in the Western North Carolina area, come visit. Give us ideas. We don't know what we're doing. So we're just having fun at it. Okay? Oops. Now we go for the big mama jump. What is it? Try taking the things off the top.
These things. If they. Well, that went well. There we go. It's just wide enough to lock onto it.
There we go. So, it's because you're hitting the thing.
Yeah, there we go.
There you go. Here it comes in.
There we go.
Cheerio.
I was just about to say that.
This is gonna go all the way. The reason they made these so long like this, guys, okay, is because sometimes we use telephone poles, right? And this will go through a whole telephone pole. Ideally, if I knew this was permanent fencing, I would grind them off, but I don't know. I'm leaving them long so that if we need to take them off, we can take them off and put telephone poles instead. On the bottom, it goes up. Ben, go ahead, put it on there.
All right. Watch out.
There we go. If I grind it off right here, I can use a socket set and then just drill it in. Before you keep going, Ben, you've done a great job. If you don't mind moving the tools, because we got to swing. That was my mistake. I made a mistake there.
Oh, that's fine. Where's the hammer?
You knows.
Thank you.
Yep, like that. That way you're going out. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. All right, ready? Grab this. So hard. Lucy, shush. Lucy, you couldn't do any better. Okay, just do it normal.
I always pull it tight.
Okay, go.
No matter what kind of gate it is. What the heck?
Here.
There we go.
Let go. it down the middle because it's not going to be down the middle. Okay. All right, guys. So we had our rest. We finished the fence. We got 3.5 sides. So we got this whole side here, you know, stopping. This is our side. Then we have that right there. And then all we're missing is that spot from there to there. Now the only reason I'm leaving that open is because I have a dump truck full of topsoil that I'm going to be bringing in here. But
Chase Blue over here.
well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share, like, comment, or else. No, I'm just kidding. Please.